idea of the Calcutta Adda, which is the Adda literally means people coming together to chat. And they could be discussing anything from elections in Venezuela to the price of fish.
আড্ডাটা ভালো লাগে যখন সিনেমা কেন্দ্রিক আড্ডা হোক, শিল্প কেন্দ্রিক আড্ডা হোক, আড্ডাটা একটা বাঙালি জীবনের একটা অঙ্গ। আড্ডাটা না মানলে মনে হয় একটা যেন কিছু বঞ্চিত থেকে গেল, মানে কিছু একটা খামতি থেকে গেল।
Calcutta has always been very, very passionate about both soccer and cricket. And people here are unbelievably addicted towards newspapers and magazines. And not only they read, they also remember. For a sports star, Calcutta always presents a different city and a different venue, because here if he comes, people will tell him what happened in 1974. He may have forgotten, his wife may have forgotten, but Calcutta still remembered.
Calcutta has a soul. The South Indians who have lived in Calcutta for 3 generations, they are as Calcuttan as any of the Bengalis. Calcutta is almost like a big village with an intellectual mentality.
Till the late 19th, early 20th century, some of the finest scientists, social thinkers, writers, most of them came from Bengal. It was an extremely rich melting pot of culture, science, everything that you have. And honestly, since then, it's really been downhill.
Calcutta is frankly burdened by its history, because somewhere deep inside, most people living in Calcutta feel the best is behind them and the city is still living off past glory. That does hurt, because for the past 30 or 40 years, Calcutta has acquired a reputation for exporting talent. And in this time and space of change, you look for signs of continuity. And the 5-day carnival called Durga Puja, which is a religious event as much as a social celebration, it's a sign of permanence. It's a sign that all is well with the world. Whatever else may have happened, the goddess will come every year.
October is the time for you to be in Calcutta, just to see what revelry is about. Where the entire city comes to a standstill as far as working is concerned. It feels good to be a Bengali at that time. It's symbolic of the triumph of good over evil. There was a demon named Mahishasur, and it was told that he could not be slain by any man. So the gods came together and built this lady, so the demon gets killed in the hands of the goddess.
ক্রিকেট খেলায় যেরকম ধরুন হার জিত আছে, এবং মানুষের জীবনেও তো অনেক সময় হার জিত আছে, যে এই হারলাম কিসের জন্য হারলাম, কেন হারলাম, এই হারটা অনেক সময় আমাদের শিক্ষার একটা দিক হয়। এই জন্যে দেবী প্রতিমাকে আমরা জলের মাধ্যমে এতে বিজয়া করে দিই, কিন্তু আমাদের মন থেকে ভক্তি ভাবনা, কর্মভাবনা এগুলো কিছুই যায় না।
According to Hindu mythology, Brahma is called the creator of everything. So if you take cricket into consider for India, it's Sourav Ganguly who is creator of everything. He's an idol to everybody who loves cricket and who loves India actually.
Sourav Ganguly is not Ma Durga or Mother Durga, but Ganguly emerged as a homegrown hero, a homegrown achiever, someone who was aggressive, who was not diffident and shy, and he won. And he wasn't a Calcuttan who'd left Calcutta and gone and lived somewhere else. He was homegrown. And that's what made Ganguly this iconic figure. And it led to almost a worship of the man.
Ganguly is universally respected as a very, very strong leader of men. His strength as a leader was outstanding clinical thinking. His arrogance, which as a leader is extremely important.
দেখতাম তখন সৌরভের খেলা খুব ভালো লাগতো, কারণ ওর মধ্যে অ্যাগ্রেশন, পজিটিভ ভাব, খেলার ধরন, ক্যাপ্টেনশিপ, তারপর টিমকে জেতানো।
সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি বলতে আমাদের দেশের গৌরব। কলকাতা মানেই সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি।
And Saurav gave them that. He gave them a confidence, and he also gave them the spirit, saying that even if I'm one Bengali guy standing up there, as long as I'm there, the city will be on the names and rolls everywhere around.
But in the case of Shah Rukh, his life is as much of a fairy tale as Saurav's. He's as much of an achiever as Saurav is. He's the humble boy who made it big.
I want everyone on the field.
He's come off the hard way. He's came to Bombay, to the movie industry with nothing. And the money he's put into KKR is essentially his money. Money he's earned or he's leveraged, or it's not money inherited from daddy. And I think people in Calcutta recognize that.
Oh my God. Even I love to see Shah Rukh Khan. The first time I saw Shah Rukh Khan was in an IPL party. I mean, he has got that charisma about him. You just cannot take your eyes off him. If he can do to somebody who is about 37, I cannot, obviously, what he does to the 17s.
सबके दिलों की धड़कन जिसे पूरी दुनिया प्यार करती है। Will he be the king?
A logical father would support Kolkata. Bengal was completely divided. You'd see a colleague telling you that, look here, how can you support Ganguly? After all, you have to support your city. And the next minute, someone would say, he has been the city's brightest boy, he has been wronged. How can you support Kolkata?
Calcutta is so laid back, sometimes you don't want it to be that laid back. That's why when a Saurav Ganguly comes in and shakes up the city a bit and says, we could do with some aggression, you feel happy. Someone needs to come and shake up Calcutta once in a while and say, you can't just sit here and watch, you need to go out there and win.
দাদা আমাদের কাছে এত বড় প্রতীক, কারণ দাদা ভালো খেলে, দাদার খেলা দেখতে ভালো লাগে, দাদা লর্ডসে সেঞ্চুরি মেরেছে, দাদার যে মোস্ট ফিয়ারটা ক্রিকেট খেলার মধ্যে মানুষকে উত্তেজিত করে দেয়, সেটাও খুব ভালো লাগে ক্যাপ্টেনদের মধ্যে।
KKR's relationship with Calcutta is interesting because it has a dual identity. It has a Calcutta identity, which comes from the fact that Ganguly was this iconic player, icon. But Shah Rukh Khan's presence also gives it a pan-Indian appeal, which is a blessing or a mixed blessing. So, in terms of branding, did he bring more to the team or did Saurav bring more to the team? This was always the question that intrigued people. All of this gives KKR a certain emotional resonance and appeal, which just Ganguly's presence wouldn't have given it. It was a great mix, Shah Rukh meets Saurav. It also had the seeds of a great tension.
আমার কাছে শাহরুখ খানের দুটি সত্তা, একটা হচ্ছে অভিনেতা শাহরুখ খান যারা আমি ভক্ত, একটা হচ্ছে KKR মালিক শাহরুখ খান যারা আমি বিরোধী। যে লোকটা গত 3 বছর ধরে সেই টিমের হয়ে সব থেকে বেস্ট পারফর্মার, সেই লোকটাকে না নেওয়ার কোনো কারণ নেই। আমি তো একজন সাধারণ দর্শক হিসেবে আপক্ষে জানা ভেতরের খবরটা জানা সম্ভব, যে ভেতরে এক্স্যাক্টলি কি হয়েছে। আমি যেইটুকু জেনেছি খবরের কাগজ পড়ে, টিভি দেখে ওইটুকু জেনেছি, এবং সব জায়গায় খেলে আলোচনা একটাই, হয়তো কোনো পলিটিক্স চলছে, হয়তো কোনো পলিটিক্স। এটা কিসের পলিটিক্স সেটা তো জানাও।
We were very disappointed because without Ganguly, Kolkata Knight Riders have no existence. Why Kolkata Knight Riders? It is because of that name only, Saurav Ganguly. He is basically a leader. You cannot go to the battlefield without the leader.
কুশপুতুল দাহ হয়েছিল, ইডেনের সামনে হয়েছিল, শোভাবাজারে হয়েছিল, বলতে আপত্তি নেই, আমিও করেছিলাম। সম্ভবত সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলি নিজে না আটকালে ভারত বন্ধ, মানে কলকাতা অন্তত বাংলা বন্ধ হয়ে যেত একদিনের জন্য।
সৌরভবিহীন নাইট রাইডার্স চিন্তা করতে পারি না, নাইট রাইডার্সের কথা বলতে পারি না, সৌরভবিহীন আমরা যে কোনো কিছু বাংলার বুকে দেখতে চাই না, শুনতে চাই না, ভাবতে চাই না।
Calcutta is always like that. Once Kapil Dev was also dropped from India team, there was a slogan which came up, no Kapil, no test. That was in Eden Gardens only. And you are talking about Ganguly, how can you say
We were the only team which had lost love for the, from the city. Other teams were also losing as badly, but they didn't lose the love of the city. So we tried to win the love of the city. That became the prime goal. I think we went in with a lot of grit and humility. We didn't go in with, we don't give a damn. You have to love us. No. We would prove it to you. And I think that really sustained us because that led to even a Jacques Kallis or someone, saying, yeah, actually we should, come on, we'll do it for the city. We'll do it for the city.
I am a big fan of KKR and I'm also a big fan of Saurav, but I'm not a blind fan of either. So from the point of view of Shahrukh, I see him as a businessman. He invested a lot in his team and invested a lot in another individual as well. Unfortunately, the team was not gelling as a unit. A couple of years ago, there was no takers for Saurav. There had to be reason for it.
The enormous popularity of India's best cricketers has a lot to do with national pride, and it has a lot to do with the early success of Indian cinema in creating popular idols. And Indian cricket has become a sort of weird crossover between film celebrity and national hero. The star cricketer is so much more important than his team is really indicative of how immature this league is. India's big stars like Sourav Ganguly would inevitably be worshipped more than the team they were playing for in the IPL, and therefore that fan allegiances would be somewhat fungible, that they could switch from one team to another depending whether their favourite player is playing for Kolkata or for Pune.
Snapdeal Savings Day. Get flat 2,000 off on electronics only today.
I'm Tom and I'm an artisan baker. I'm Henry. I live and breathe cooking. We're both romantics at heart and we share two things. A passion for quality and a murderous sense of rivalry. This is Baking for Boys.
Yeah! The Fabulous Baker Brothers. Monday to Thursday nights at 10. Only on TLC.
The Artistry discover 3D brightening. Introducing Artistry Ideal Radiance with exclusive skin brightening multi-floral blend and advanced 3D technology. The 3 dimensions of radiance emerge. Artistry Ideal Radiance.
Artistry. Exclusively from Amway. SMS ART to 58888.
The contenders are ready for spellbinding action in a one-of-a-kind competition. It is the finals, so the words are tough. O-E-U-V-R-E. You're both right. Only one of you will win today. Classmates Spellbee 2014 finals this Sunday morning at 11. On Discovery Channel, Discovery Tamil and Discovery Kids. Presented by Classmate, powered by the Times of India in association with 7Cs and NECC, an initiative by Radio Mirchi.
आज ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या बनाएं?
मम्मी, आज किशमिश वाला क्वेकर ओट्स।
नया क्वेकर ओट्स केसर फ्लेवर जिसमें है रियल किशमिश। इतना टेस्टी कि
मम्मी खत्म।
नए टेस्टी क्वेकर ओट्स।
Hey, what's your skin score? My skin score? 6 out of 10, I guess. Say? 5? It's still dark. I used to be 4. I have lots of fine lines.
For younger, fairer looking and smooth skin. New Vaseline Healthy White Complete 10.
Now I'm a 9.
No, it's 10.
Vaseline Healthy White Complete 10 with 10 benefits.
The slimmest phone in the world. In stunning metal and glass. Xiaomi eLife S5.5.
When your heart will cool you down, there's a cool team. The cool team. When your heart will cool you down with a cool team. Cool team.
Like you've never seen on a new adventure competition.
It's going to be quite full on.
Watch Get Out Alive with Bear Grylls on the Discovery Channel.
Now that we're committed, we just have to take a road trip / honeymoon with the kids. I want my own house. I want to move out. Now that Anna's 19, she's wanting to move out, and I'm really kind of nervous. My little birdies are going away. They grow up pretty fast, so I want to make memories as much as possible.
Make it memories!
This family's going to have a blast.
Ow, you're pulling my hair!
Schubert wanted to do marriage counseling for him, kind of like nymphomaniac.
Would that be correct, Mike?
Yes. Just talk about having another kid. No.
Here comes Honey Boo Boo, a new season, Monday to Thursday nights at 9, only on TLC.
This is Pune Warriors' first visit to Eden Gardens. They've only played once before, and it was a win for KKR.
Ganguly has gone to the Pune Warriors. It's the first time he's back at the Eden Gardens and he's playing against KKR. This was always going to be a highly charged situation.
Eden is meant for Prince of Calcutta and for nobody till date.
The Prince is back in town.
They said in 1905, Lord Curzon, they said, had divided Bengal. And since then, this had never happened. Bengal was completely divided.
Can Kolkata continue their role, and can Pune turn things around?
This is a game that everyone's been talking about for weeks.
And it's one that will test the loyalties of the Eden Gardens crowd. Kolkata.
The loyalty actually divided. It was divided between Knight Riders or Ganguly. So we were two Ganguly supporters, so we supported Pune.
What about that? Once a Gangulian, always a Gangulian.
Let's get ready to party. Dada's back, Kolkata!
And I've got the heartthrob of Kolkata, the Prince of Kolkata, Sourav Ganguly here with me. Sourav, this ovation, how does it feel?
Well, it feels great. More importantly, it feels great to play in Calcutta again. It's one of the best cricket grounds in the world, and you can see it why.
Would you feel the pressure then because of this expectation?
There is a bit of nerves, you've got to be honest, but it just settles down as the game goes on.
Well, good luck, Sourav. Hope you do well.
Thank you.
I think the iconic moment came in that Pune Warriors versus KKR game when Sourav brought the Pune team to Eden Gardens. The crowd was torn. It wasn't torn in an aggressive sort of way. It was torn in an emotional sort of way. They wanted Sourav to do well, but they wanted KKR to win.
The crowd have come in anticipation of seeing something special from Ganguly.
Sourav Ganguly is in the opposing team, and he's coming onto his grounds, and against KKR, that night it's between them.
Well, you have to say, this crowd is split down the middle, 50-50.
I remember looking out at this ground. You were sitting in the dugout and you look out and you said, how much purple is there and how much blue?
There is a sea of blue at Eden Gardens, which is very unusual, because generally it's a sea of purple and yellow, but look at the blue shirts who've come to support their skipper, Sourav Ganguly.
And obviously that meant that Pune suddenly had huge support because what Ganguly had given to this city and to this state wouldn't be forgotten overnight.
It's time for the Prince of Bengal to lead his troops onto his park, really. He's playing in his backyard.
সবাই কিন্তু দাদারা বলে চিৎকার করছিল কেউ নাইট রাইডার্স কেকেআর অতটা বলেনি বাট স্টেডিয়ামটা গমগম করছিল গাঙ্গুলি গাঙ্গুলি গাঙ্গুলি
90% of the crowds were cheering for Dada. We wish he was on our side. Our dream was that Dada scored a century and we won the ending.
Absolutely terrific start by the KKR. That is smashed. Look at the speed at which the ball's gone to the boundary.
Oh, he's such a dangerous player, McCullum.
And I remember we started off amazingly. We scored about 90 in about 9 overs. Nothing was going right for them. And then KKR collapsed.
Well, has he missed it? And he's out to LBW.
Got him! That's him! He's been bowled! Looking to go down the track was Jacques Kallis. Oh, that's off the bottom of the bat. It's Ganguly under it. And he takes a simple catch in the end. The whole ground erupts. Who are they shouting for? It's Dada.
Well, the last time I heard noise like this was when India won the World Cup.
They took a couple of catches, gave us heart attacks. It was like, okay, enough now. Now, see, we love you. We got to win this.
And then suddenly Saurav and Angelo Matthews get together. Angelo Matthews hits Pathan for 3 sixes, and it's a very, very doable score there.
Gonna go for 6. Come on. 3 in a row. City moment of success here at Eden Gardens.
It was absolutely electric. And then Rajat Bhatia is bowling, and he gets hold of the ball, and it goes as high as you can think. It goes as high as the lights, and it's coming down, and I can see Iqbal Abdullah moving towards the ball, one of the players moving away from him. The ball's coming down.
मैं बॉल के नीचे और मेरे पीछे 2-3 फील्डर भी मेरे साथ 2-3 फील्डर भाग रहे थे.
Iqbal is one of the toughest run cricketers you'll find, and there were other players who didn't want to take that catch, and Iqbal actually admitted.
एक बार मेरे मन में आया कि यार जाने दो, दूसरे को जाने दूं कैच के लिए. Never know, में से छूट भी सकता है.
And that's why they say these high catches are always the toughest, because in the low catches it's reflex. You just do it and then you realize what you've done. In a catch like that, you have all the time to ponder the consequences of what happens if you drop it.
He didn't go straight, he went over the wicket. It's not going to go all the way.
And then he takes the catch, and there's a roar that you cannot believe. But that moment, the moment that that ball was up in the air, the silence in the crowd, that's etched in history for me.
Dana has got a big, big moment in this game. KKR celebrate. A lot of fans will not celebrate.
He comes as a visitor, the prodigal son.
Nice to see Shah Rukh Khan applauding that innings of Sourav Ganguly, his former captain here of the Knight Riders.
Full toss. Long on. Oh! Has he caught it? What a Karman Kamal moment. Look at this for a celebration.
No celebrations from the Pune Warriors dugout. That'll take it to 8 needed from 1.
Full toss. Whacked extra cover. Game KKR.
And the flags are now gold and purple.
When Pune lost that match very narrowly, some stopped eating and some people in the same family celebrated. It was a very, very peculiar situation, and it represented Kolkata's immense love, respect and warmth for Ganguly.
Even after Knight Riders won that match, there was not much clapping or something for Knight Riders. People had a mixed reaction altogether.
Shah Rukh Khan pretty happy that his team has won yet another match.
আমি পুনার সমর্থক হয়ে বলছি, নট কলকাতা. নাইট রাইডার্স যখন জেতে সমর্থক তো থাকেই, অবশ্যই সমর্থক থাকে, কিন্তু সৌরভ গাঙ্গুলিকে নিয়ে যদি করতো আমার মনে হতো অনেকটা পরিপূর্ণ হয়েছে ব্যাপারটা.
Indian team was on floor, and he has taken the Indian team to the top of the Sourav Ganguly is Sourav.
So at the end of it all, when I hugged him, I told him that, for a moment I thought you're taking this match away. I would love you to be the highest scorer, highest wicket taker and the best fielder whenever you come to play Eden Gardens. But can we just win the match?
So in a way, it was a win-win for everybody. KKR won, so Kolkata, this belongs to you. And Saurav Dada, you played well, so you also lived up to your name and dignity.
I think KKR handled Ganguly well, giving him the captaincy in year 3. He tried his best, the team tried his best, it didn't do well. If he hadn't been given that captaincy in the 3rd season, Calcutta may have felt KKR hadn't been fair to him. But the fact that he was given his due in that 3rd season and told to do what he could did give a sense of closure to the Ganguly story, the great Ganguly epic.
And for a lot of Bengalis, it was the fact that he had a chance at redemption was very important to them. It was important that he play well at the Eden Gardens and go away. It was not so much not supporting KKR as saying, we want to give you a great farewell before you go.